This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. 28, 29. Hello there, welcome to Art Attack. Hang on a sec. 3 paces to the right. 1, 2, 3. And X marks the spot. And there it is. Just what I need. Come and have a look at this. I have discovered how to make ordinary drawing paper look like an ancient document. A bit like this one. And the secret is... stock cubes. Now, all you need is an ordinary sheet of paper and tear it all round the edges. Now, you don't have to be neat. You can make it as ragged as you like, because the idea is to make it look as if the paper is really old. So there it is. Just finish that off there. And then, the good bit, I love doing this, put some cracks in the paper. You ever seen those old parchments? They look as if they've been cracked through the ages. So there it is. Just flick away, tear away, and put some cracks in your paper. Then lay it down. Take your stock cube and crumble it into some warm water. There it is. You don't need much water. Just got a little saucer full here. And you only need 1 stock cube. And just mix it in so that it looks like a paste. And then just paste it on to your piece of paper. Now, you can see all these finger marks that I'm creating here. Doesn't matter at all, because it all creates to the final finished effect of your document. Just smear it on, rub it in, right in the corners. You can even see those little blobs of stock cube that are on there. That doesn't matter either, because when they dry, they look like little bits of old parchment. There it is. Now, you've got to do this on both sides, and then put it to one side to dry. And when it's dry, it looks something like this. Look at that. Already, it's 100 years old. Now, what about the writing? Well, have you ever noticed the way the writing on those old documents, the first letter is always very fancy? Well, I've discovered the secret to that too. Bread. All you do is you cut a square of bread about 2 centimetres by 2 centimetres. Then you get some poster paint. Now, I've mixed this with a little bit of water. And you simply paint onto the bread. Again, this is great fun to do. There it is. Get your brush stuck in there so that you bash the paint inside the bread. There it is. And then I'm going to print onto my document. Press the bread down, pull it away, and you get this sort of bobbly textured effect. Then you put that to one side to dry, and it takes about 10 minutes to dry. And when it's dry, it looks something like that. So, OK, I'm going to put my first letter in there now. Now, have you ever noticed the way those first letters, they're always really curvy? So I'm going to curl the top of my T, and the tail of my T curve also. Now, when you've used a black felt tip pen, use one of these. These are my favourite pens, these, the old gold pen. Gives a great effect if you just put it right on the outside, right on the edge there of the black that you've done. There it is. Just following the letter all the way round. Oh, I love this gold pen, the way it just smears out onto the paper. And there it is, the first letter of your ancient document. Now, all the rest of the letters, if you do a bit smaller with a smaller felt tip pen, and of course, it depends on what you want to say. For instance, hear ye, hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. It is hereby declared that the owner of this ancient document is now entitled to double pocket money. Signed, get your mum or dad to sign that, a pocket money contract. Or when it's someone's birthday, don't give them a present, hide the present and give them a map to try and find the present. And there it is. X marks the spot, an ancient treasure map attack.
It's the head again. Nice one, that. See, with just the stuff from the kitchen cupboard, stock cubes and bread, you can make things look hundreds of years old. Just like her.